then I'm staging a debtor's revolt right here, right now.
Ann Minch's YouTube video was the shot heard round the World Wide Web. When Bank of America raised her credit card interest rate from 13% to a whopping 30%, Ann went viral.
I could get a better rate from a loan shark.
So she gave them her terms: lower the rate or she won't pay.
So stick that in your bailout pipe and smoke it.
The video was viewed 250,000 times. Thousands responded complaining about their own banks.
Capital One, you can just kiss my.
American banks are easy targets. They got billions in bailout funds and are now raising rates and fees on those very same taxpayers.
Banks are doing whatever they can to squeeze the last dollar out of consumers.
This year, banks are expected to make more than $38 billion in overdraft fees alone, up from $18 billion in 1999. The problem is your debit card. Instead of declining the sale when a customer's account is low, many banks allow it, then charge the customer a hefty fee. The average overdraft fee at large banks is now almost $35. Some lawmakers want to require banks to get permission from their customers before giving them overdraft protection. That way they can't spend what they don't have and they'd avoid the fees. But perhaps to avoid more regulations, today Bank of America and JP Chase overhauled their overdraft policies. Both banks will now ask customers if they want overdraft protection. Bank of America won't charge a fee when an account is less than $10 overdrawn. At Chase, it's $5 or less. Bank of America will cap the number of overdraft fees at 4 per day, Chase at 3. Yet banks say avoiding these fees should be simple.
It's really up to the customer to know what their balance is and how much they have to spend.
They took $400 out of my account.
Yet banks cannot ignore customer complaints now that they're online. After seeing Ann Minch's video, Bank of America called and lowered her rate.
Which is a small victory for this debtor's revolt movement.
Which may only be getting started. Ben Tracy, CBS News, Los Angeles.